Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. In order to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat, first you'll need to open your Snapchat app. This is the first interface you will see of Snapchat. From here, you'll have to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Here, your personal details, including your Bitmoji, will show up. From here, you'll have to tap on the setting icon on the top right corner of your screen. A lot of setting options will pop up. From here, you'll have to tap on Bitmoji option. Here you can see your Bitmoji. You can also change or edit as well as choose a selfie from here. Now in order to delete your Bitmoji, you'll have to tap on Unlink My Bitmoji option on the very last. You will be asked if you want to remove your Bitmoji permanently. You'll have to tap on the option Remove. And just like that, your Bitmoji is deleted. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Bitmoji in your Snapchat. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.